Welcome to Manor House. We're in the beautiful setting at Cornwall, just 4 miles from a walk on the beach at Lyme Regis, and yet in this beautiful secluded valley. And this stunning home sits in 2.7 acres of gardens and woodlands, and yet we've still got 4 double bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. There's a lot to see, so let's go inside and have a look. As soon as you step inside the property, it becomes very apparent that you've got a practical home with the 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and some really good living space downstairs. But this, for me, sums up this home. You've got a history, you've got beautiful period features, and yet it has this fantastic ambience where you can sit and relax and just make the most of it. So outside you realise it isn't just the location that's heavenly, the grounds are as well. A total of 2.7 acres that has extensive woodland, abundance of natural wildlife, but then these useful practical lawned areas which are just great. Vegetable plots, summer house studio. There really is so much to enjoy here, and it's so private and quiet. So I hope you've enjoyed your brief look around this beautiful home. It's one you don't want to miss. Give us a call, 01823 423 500, and we'll be delighted to book a viewing to show you around.